Hey guys, so update for the water levels for steelhead fishing in Lake Erie. And that's the river right there. You see that? It's coming down hard, and this isn't like a very huge tributary either. There's so much sediment into the water right now, but if you look out in the lake's a little calmer. It's still rough though, and it looks a little dirty as well. But the clouds look fine, but on the forecast it still says it's going to rain. So it's up in the air if it'll be fishable or not this weekend, because honestly, if it wasn't going to rain anymore, this would be fishable within a day or two. But the fact that it's going to keep raining is it's up in the air. So yeah, a little update, tight lines if you go out.